The Gardens community is located off University Boulevard across from Williams-Brice at Quail Creek Village Avenue. It consists of two three-story buildings, Azalea Hall and Magnolia Hall, and houses transfers and residents in their second year and above. A courtyard is located between Azalea and Magnolia Halls, where residents like to hang out on a pretty day or gather when RAs have programs. The Gardens is our smallest community with approximately 80 residents. Let's go inside one of the apartments to show you more. When you enter the apartment, you will walk into the common area and kitchen. The common area has a sofa and dining area with stools. High-speed internet access is available in each apartment, so you can stream your favorite shows and connect your laptop and smartphone. The kitchen has a full-size refrigerator, stove, and sink. You just need to bring your dishes, glasses, and eating utensils. Please note that a microwave is not provided, but you can bring one, maximum 1,000 watts. As you walk farther into the apartment, you will come to the full-size bathroom. In the back of the apartment is the shared bedroom. Most apartments at the Gardens are double occupancy, meaning two residents share the bedroom, but we do have a few that are triple occupancy. Each resident is provided an extra-long twin-size bed, desk with chair, and chest of drawers. There is a closet area to share with your roommate. Laundry is free at CCU, and community washers and dryers are available on each floor in each building. We hope you enjoyed your brief tour of the Gardens. For more information, including floor plans and rates, go to coastal.edu/liveoncampus.